We have liquid diamonds from the Epoxy Resin store. How amazing is this stuff? I used it on my new snowflake mold that I have listed up on my website. So we're going to check this out. That's the mold. So I did not use the pressure pot with this, and there are barely any air bubbles at all, which is very nice to see. I don't see that too often, so the liquid diamonds is really nice for that. So I wanted to show you how I make a hole in the snowflake because it does not come with a hole to hang it. So I take a sharp piece of metal, heat it up with my torch, and poke it through. Might have to go through twice just to clear the hole a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. A little hard to see, but there is a hole there.